Magnetic Destoner for split black gram. Jaykrishna Magnetics Pvt Limited has recently installed Magnetic Destoner at food industry in Ajman, UAE. In this video, you can see the magnetic separation process with our Magnetic Destoner for split black gram. Our Magnetic Destoner is the most advanced magnetic separator to remove mud balls, black stones and other impurities from split black gram. Our powerful machine easily removes impurities from it. Split black gram falls down to the conveyor belt, which is Teflon-based belt. The remaining magnetic content is dropped into the outlet, and the non-magnetic content falls into another outlet at the front side. Now you can see the impurities which are removed from the split black gram. Final split black gram after the separation process. Our Magnetic Destoner is powerful magnetic separator to remove impurities from all types of pulses, grains, and spices. For more details about our Magnetic Destoner, visit our website www.jkmagnetic.com. Subscribe our channel for more related videos and hit the bell icon for more update.